Select Print Settings. You see the Presets window with 5 default printing presets. Black color t-shirt, use garment black, is best for black t-shirts. The printer does not use any black ink in areas that are 95% or more black, and the shirt color is used to convey any black areas in your design. When you use the light color t-shirt standard setting, the printer does not use any white ink, and the shirt color is used to convey any white areas in your design. When you use the dark color t-shirt standard setting, the printer uses both white and color ink. This is the preferred setting for a colored shirt. When you use the dark color t-shirt white setting, the printer only uses white ink. This is best for images with varying shades of white, such as grayscale images. When you use the light color t-shirt high-speed color mode setting, the printer's ink settings are set to high-speed color mode. To create a custom preset, click this icon. You can also double-click or right-click inside the Presets window. Enter a name for your preset and click OK. To delete, overwrite, or copy a custom preset, select it, then right-click